Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a sheep. At first, draw a straight line like this. From this point, draw a bent line toward. Draw another small line, go straight line and join down. Same here, straight line, go down. Now draw two small lines and small rectangle like this. Now draw a wavy line and another wave line like this and join. Now I am using matte golden color. Using black for outlining and shading. Our drawing is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.